Hello everyone, the most awaited video is here. We are going to start with a series of videos for grade 10th ICSE, the ones who are going to appear for the year 2021. So as discussed, as promised, I have divided every chapter into three portions. The first will be where we'll discuss the important topics. The next will be where we'll talk about the important questions, and the last video or the third video will be where we'll be solving. I'll tell you how to solve, or you can say answer, the questions in your board exams from that chapter. So we'll start with the first chapter, that is cell division. Watch the video till the end, because till the end you will get everything on the board, all the important topics. Write it down somewhere, mark it down in your book, and start studying accordingly. Fine. So we'll start with our first chapter, cell division. We all know genetics has been removed from the syllabus, and as genetics has been removed from the topic, generally when I make the video, I make it for cell division and genetics both as a combined. But now as it has been deleted, so we'll talk about cell division, and we'll also talk about structure of chromosomes. So these are the two topics which are now there in your reduced syllabus, but I'm again specifying this is only for 2021, because after that the full syllabus will be followed as and when the classes resume after corona and all. So we'll start. The first important topic, very important topic, 101% 5 marker question. 110. When you will see the next video, you will see that I have taken board questions from every year, and you will see one question 5 marker every year. Fine. So the first important topic is all the stages. All the stages. Now how do we do it? For both the things. One, for identification, and two, for drawing. Again, we'll be in detail discussing कि ये questions कैसे होंगे, how will these questions be there in your paper, and how do you write for it in our next video. Here we are only talking about important topics. So all the stages starting from prophase till telophase, all the stages are very important. Both ways it can be there. It can be for identification and drawing also, and in the same question they give you both. That means they will give you a question, a stage drawn, they will ask you multiple questions, or the last wala question hoega usme they will say draw the stage which is prior or after this. So you need to draw also. So what I'm trying to tell you is identification and drawing, for both the purposes, stages is the most important question. 100% 5 mark question, very important, aata hi hai ye. Next, definitions. Now there are a few definitions when we talk about the portion of cell division and structure of chromosomes. Why are they very important? Because they come in 1 marker. This 5 marker is short, but the paper will be approximately 10 to 18 marks, or you can say 5 to 15 if you say. You'll get these many questions from this portion. Genetics including was too very much, but yes, here 5 marker for sure. Now we are talking about the section A and section B question. This 5 marker is from section B, because in section A they give a short question from plant physiology. Fine. So we are talking about section B ka 1 5 marker short. Next is definitions. Now what kind of definitions? Which definition specifically? So that is cytokinesis, karyokinesis. Then we have centromere, chromatids. Then we have spindle fibers. Then we have gene, if you talk about structure of chromosome, gene. Uske baad, there are multiple others also, but I am just specifying a few which are multiple, which are repeated in papers again and again. Nucleosome. So these are a few, I'm saying few, don't just learn only these. There can be 2-3 more, like for example you have chromosome ka definition, you have they can ask you the definition of mitosis or meiosis, so you have to learn the definition. So all these can come as, you know, 1 mark definitions, but yes, these are the ones which are repeated in the papers again and again. Then we have the cell cycle. अब देखो बेटा, सेल साइकिल की एक चीज मैं आपको बताऊं, टॉपिक तो ये आप नहीं छोड़ सकते, cannot leave this topic, you have to do this topic, because in 1 marker they can ask you that which changes occur in G1, which changes occur in S, तो you need to do this cell cycle. But yes, पूरा cell cycle बनाने के लिए या identification के लिए पिछले papers में नहीं आया हुआ है, so chances of the cell division to come as a 5 marker are very less. कहीं कहीं एक क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है दैट जी फेज के चेंज बता दो, एस फेज के चेंज बता दो. यस, यू शुड नो व्हाट इज अ सेल साइकिल, बट यस ऑफ कोर्स अ 5 मार्कर इज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड ऑफ इट. उसके बाद इज वन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज अ रीजनिंग क्वेश्चन which comes for 1 marker, that is why meiosis is called reductional division. Why meiosis is called as a reductional division, a very important reasoning question from this chapter, that is why it is known as reductional division, because we'll be discussing this as and when we'll discuss the questions, but yes, this is an important question which is there in your book given in a paragraph. Last from cell division, difference between meiosis and mitosis. No one is going to ask you 5 number में write the difference between meiosis and mitosis, but you must know the difference, because 1 mark में कहीं ना कहीं how many daughter cells are formed in meiosis, how many daughter cells are formed in mitosis. Differentiate between mitosis and meiosis on the basis of the daughter cells formed or on the basis of elongation of prophase. So what I'm trying to tell you is they'll not ask you write 5 differences. They'll just ask you a question related to any type of difference. Fine. Here I just want to tell you one more thing. When we are talking about the stages of mitosis, बच्चे please do animal and plant वाला division both. I will write here animal and plant, both the diagrams, because कई बार they give you both the diagrams, they ask you to identify which is what, which cell is a plant and which cell is an animal cell, and then they can ask you the differences, that in plant cells there is no centrosome, so how spindle fibers are formed. So what I am trying to tell you is that yes, you need to do both the diagrams of plant and animal cell division, and please study them carefully, because they both can come for identification. Now when we move to structure of chromosomes, if I talk about structure of chromosomes, so definitions I have already covered here: nucleosome, gene, chromatin, centromere. Next is a very important topic, composition of chromatin, where they ask you, now this is also not a 5 marker, in सब में से पूरा 5 marker is only the stages, बाकी सब we are talking about section A, section B, all the 1 markers. We all know ICSE paper is an objective paper, so we have one mark questions, so we are talking about those 1 markers. So composition of chromatin, where we talk about histone proteins, DNA coiling and all, so that topic is very important. They may ask you how many histone proteins, so you should know 8. They may ask you how a nucleosome is formed, so you should know that 8 histone proteins coiled by a DNA. Fine. So you must know these things while we are talking about composition of chromatin material. Next is the last topic, that is structure of nucleotide. Structure of nucleotide, very important. Now this I can say can come as a 5 mark question, where they give you the diagram of the nucleotide and they'll ask you to label it, or they can ask you to make a nucleotide as well. So this is a important topic, last topic of chromosome I guess. So where the whole structure like this this whole structure is given, and then you will be asked to label it, and but just the labeling is asked, and then they can ask you how many types of nitrogenous bases are there, types and all, everything is given in your book. So the structure of nucleotide is the last topic. Once again, I'll repeat. First 5 marker stages, second 5 marker structure of nucleotide. So 2 5 markers from cell division and structure of chromosome. Talking about 1 markers. अब मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि यहाँ 5 marker stages में से आ गया है और इसमें से आ गया है तो बाकी नहीं पूछेंगे. No, they can give you a question from this in 1 marker as well. That is why this topic is important. Next is definition. So this was the first. Second is the definitions, the various definitions from the chapter, very very important. Third is the cell cycle. Fine, I told you no 5 marker, but yes, they can ask you what changes occur in different stages. Then we have talked about a reasoning question, meiosis known as reductional division, difference between meiosis and mitosis, which can be there as 1 mark question, composition of chromatin material, where we talk about the formation of nucleosomes and formation of chromatin fiber, and last is structure of nucleotide. So these are the important topics from the chapter cell division and chromosomes, structure of chromosomes for ICSE boards year 2021. In our next video, we'll talk about the previous board questions or important questions. We'll only talk about the questions, not their, not how to do it. And in our next video, next to next, we'll talk about the, how to solve those questions. How do we write the answers to those questions? Same goes for plant physiology, then circulatory, excretory, and on, so forth and so forth. So please keep watching the series. Share it as much as you can. Share it with all your friends, all your cousins, so that everyone can benefit. Bye.